Good morning and welcome from Yosemite. Yosemite National Park was closed for a good part of 10 weeks due to COVID. A few days ago, they announced that it will reopen with limited entry to the park. So we bought our entry pass and made our way to Yosemite National Park. We have been to Yosemite many times, but this time I must tell you, we had the most surreal experience. This video shows our experience, and it was the most incredible experience we had while we were in Yosemite National Park. I'll be sharing the details on how to get an entry pass to Yosemite during this transitional period at the end of the video. So let's jump right into it. So we started early this morning at about 4:30 a.m. and made it to Yosemite at 7:30 a.m. And currently we are at Tunnel View, and it's really incredible to see Tunnel View in the morning also. There's only a few people with us at Tunnel View, so we soaked in the views and headed down to the valley. So the hike to Bridal Veil Falls was closed due to construction of the trails, but we still got a good view of the falls from the road. Right in the beginning of your drive through the valley, you get one of my favorite views of El Capitan. So currently I'm here at El Capitan, and there are not a lot of cars currently, and the view is really amazing. So we have taken few pictures and now we are heading to Sentinel Beach. So currently we are here at Sentinel Beach, and it's really calm and really serene here, and there are not many people here at this time of the day. After hanging out at Sentinel Beach, we headed our way to Swinging Bridge, one of the best places for reflection photos of Yosemite Falls. There were not many people on Swinging Bridge. Normally on summer days it's jam-packed and you hardly find a spot to take a reflection photo. But today it's only me, my friend and few other people, and we have got a perfect spot to take the reflection photos of Yosemite Falls. From Swinging Bridge, we continued our drive to another popular photo spot for Yosemite Falls. This is incredible parking area that looks out Yosemite Falls. Normally on summer, it's packed and people would be trying to find a spot and not been able to get one, but today it was almost empty. From here, we left for Yosemite Falls for one of the coolest experiences we ever had at the Yosemite National Park. While driving, we noticed crowd on the side of the road staring at something, and we parked our car and found that they have spotted a bear in the midst of the valley. I must say we had an incredible and most surreal experiences in Yosemite Valley. From there, we continued our drive to Yosemite Falls. So currently we are at Lower Yosemite Falls, and the area is closed and you cannot really climb the rocks, so you can just take the picture, enjoy the view, and we are heading to our next stop, and mostly we will be heading for the lunch, and we have a really amazing spot for lunch which is Valley View, so we'll be heading there next. From there, we headed to Valley View and had our lunch here, soaking in the views of breathtaking valley. I must say this is one of the beautiful places I had my lunch with these views, which are so stunningly beautiful. After soaking in the views of this beautiful valley, we headed our way to Yosemite Chapel. Yosemite Chapel was closed due to COVID, However, we enjoyed the views of the chapel and made our way to Washburn Point. It's about 45 minutes drive from the valley to the Glacier Point. We are at Washburn Point, and here you can get the panoramic view of Half Dome and the whole valley, and it's so stunningly beautiful. And suddenly it got gloomy and it's raining on the mountains over there, and the weather is absolutely gorgeous. And if you do come here, do check out the Washburn Point, which comes right before the Glacier Point, and you see a very close view of Half Dome and Nevada Falls and Vernal Falls. After our lunch at Valley View, we came to Washburn Point. So basically this is a point before Glacier Point, and the parking is literally empty. If you come on a regular day, there won't be any parking spots available, but today it's all empty and the view from here is incredibly beautiful. And next we are headed to Glacier Point. As you leave Washburn Point, right when you go around the next bend, you'll get an amazing view of the Half Dome. So we have reached Glacier Point. The drive from Washburn Point to Glacier Point was just about 3 to 4 minutes. Glacier Point is in my top 3 favorite places in Yosemite, as the views from here are incredible. You definitely want to give yourself some time to really experience this spot, as it has views in every direction. Some of the biggest drops you will see across the valley to Half Dome and to Yosemite Falls. So that's it for today. We have covered most of the viewing points in Yosemite, and it's just 5:30 p.m. and it was a wonderful day. We have spotted a bear and a deer. What could you ask more from a day? So peace out, and we'll see you guys next time in the next video. Bye.